Zulu Production. Dilapha bethunana. It's happening. Ipati iqalile besilo eli. Sathe ikaqala ipati. Bola sisi.
Hello Puti.
Unjani?
Phila kunjani?
Yaphila khona. Tela nosisibani wapi? Usuka kwe area.
Uthathela unathi wase Greyfontein. Ngizokhuphuka. Khuphuka lapha. Hayi Puti njani?
Uright sisi?
Ngiright Puta kwani njani?
Ngeke ngobuzana. Ngithatha nosisibani wapi usuka kwe area?
Mamthi lona Greyfontein. Ya ngilinde uthande kaGadebe la. Unomdade uthande kaGadebe. Unomdade ngilinde yena.
Kunjani wa?
Ngiyaphila mfowethu.
Usisi ngusisibani?
Uthanda ngwaGadebe ngiqhamuke eMkhomazi.
Uthi wangishela wazi ukuthi nginabantwana. Wawucingiswa into nibhale ngoma.
Uthi angibala hlephi ngoku. Okay kahle nina. Niyashela. Nisinike ingane bese niyasilahla.
Eyisha.
Lapho manje usuthi angibala hlephi ke mawungifica senginabo. Mawuthi bashiye ngiyoshada umunye umuntu. Uzokwenza kanjani?
Hey sisi wami, namhlanje sikubona ulapha eCape Town. I think mina ngikubona okokuqala. Uziswe into nabeKapa.
Idu conflict inkosi yami ngihloniphe ngendlela eyisimanga. Ngingowesifazane nje kaMaskandi abamtomulile bebaningi kangaka. Bathi sifuna lo yakonke lesihamba khona sicela bekhona. Yabonga kakhulu ithuba elingakankosi yami kwidu conflict. iMaskandi first yenza kahle ngendlela eyisimanga. Nabantu baseKapa ke uthando lokubona siyabonga kakhulu.
uMaskandi lokuqala ibingumculo thina besicima ngowabantu abadala and becima ngumculo waseDurban but ngoku siyanimamela naseCape Town siyanisupporta and futhi can you tell us into bangaba what is the secret behind of uMaskandi because ngoku namapiano ngoku sisawulandeli kakhulu thina abantu batsha silandela uMaskandi yephi imfihlo eninayo enibangela umculo wenu uthandwe kakhulu lilizwe lonke jikelele.
Yebo ngathanda nje uqinisa kakhulu ngokuMaskandi. uMaskandi umculo wakhayo umculo onemessage umkhulo osibuyisela emumva osikhumbuza ukuthi ngobani so siyayiqhenya kakhulu ukuthi esikhona sigenge sakhulayo futhi soqinisekisa ukuthi umculo uzolokhu ukhona futhi uthanda ngangendlela nje abantu abafika ngayo ngibona abafowethu abasebancane abawuthanda umculo nanokuthi into ejabulisa ukubona ukuthi eCape Town kunabantu abangaka abathanda uMaskandi akusho okukhulu sibonge nje kubo bonke abantu abadlala indima kakhulu ngokomculo siyabonga kakhulu.
Most abantu basuka eKZN bacula uMaskandi and niyasupportana. Ingaba yithini imfihlo ngapha kolonto?
Usho eKZN?
Yeah.
eKZN kuba komculo waMaskandi vele. Umculo vele I think umculo waMaskandi usuka khona ngaseKZN. Yeah, so that's why bewuthanda kakhulu abantu. Yeah. So bawusupporta kakhulu na online benza show. Ukhuluma nje album yami na million awu 7. 4 weeks.
Hey, yasabeza baba.
Nakumten konkos. Nakumtesisa. Nakumten konkos. Nakumtesisa. Haunilelena. Nilelena. Haunilelena. Nilelena. Kisinakumten konkos.
Hey namhlanje mntaka baba ndize njengesiqhelo. Into yami endayibizelwa nguNkulunkulu namanyanga asekhaya konwabisa abantu ngokomculo wami. Abantu ke abazumazi ukuphuthuma baze uScorpion Ntama. Eligama likaScorpion kana ligama lokonwabisa abantu. So ngizokonwabisa abantu ngomculo wami. iDukonflict ke mntaka babi iye yandenyula phakathi kwabantu abaninzi hayi ngokuthi mhlawumbi ndingcono kunabanye kha inhlahla nje yam ngeli xesha andifuni ukuthi xa ndingabizwanga ngomso ukuthi hayi mhlawumbi ubani unomona inhlahla yam nje ngeli xesha.
So uKhuzani kulindeleke uba performe apha kwiDukonflict ithini into ngakuwe?
Butisi Cape Town branch simlindele kakhulu uKhuzani naba ya ochomi bamphaphesheya inoba nawe uyazibona ezendlamlenze Cape Town branch silinde uKhuzani simthanda kakhulu futhi asiyenzi mistake yoba singamlandeli uKhuzani any event enye nenye uKhuzani apha khona senza show basiba khona.
Abantu abaninzi abacula uMaskandi ixesha elininzi bathi gqi kwela cala laseKZN isupport ininzi kwela cala ithini imfihlelo mhlambi kuze nikwazi usupporta until nibe kulezo ndawo nikuzo?
Ingoba uMaskandi uqhamuka khona eKZN uzalwe khona so iprovince yawo la impela owafonywa khona yeah.
So kulo nyaka ka2026 masilindele ntoni kuba uKhuzani?
Abantu abangakulindela kumina singalindela ukuthi asiziba nazo inhlelo eziningi lo nyaka because kunama event amaningi esifuna ukufocus kuona kakhulu even outside the country so asinazo inhlelo eziningi ngaphandle kokuthi towards the end of the year sizoba blessa ngealbum abantu.
Mhlambi ke kulo album unothi uyikhuphe xa kuphela unyaka mhlambi zeziphi artist okucima mhlambi ungazifeatureisha kulo album?
I know asikocinge tata asikocinge
so sizophinda sikubone mhlawumbe uphinde usiza phe Cape Town kwakhona
noma inini and ngomhla ka25 bekufuna ngabe ngilapha ngathathwa uhamba ngaye eSwatini ngaye eMthatha so ke manje ndizothi sorry bantu base Cape Town ubani anifikanga ngapha but le ayina kungeja anginakugejwa isi event zibe zibini zibe zithathu izawuba sengathi andibathanda abantu base Cape Town kanti ndiyabathanda. I put people first.
Yintoni le enimotivateayo niDukonflict eyenza bangaba niqhube nezi event national?
I think eyona nto isenza ubana siqhubekeke nasebunzimeni is seeing abafazi, and I'll say abafazi mainly because most of my events ethu we literally cater for more women, and to see them happy, being in a safe space, bakwazi to be themselves. And also we pride ourselves by having events that are like zero incidents. So we try by all means in Dobana sends ama events where, you know, no overcrowding, and this is from learning in the past in Dobana. These are things that can affect the event. So Kuti, we want safe events. We want ama events akungenama incidents. Abantu bafike bahambe ku event bengahlukumezekanga.
Ma'am, ucinga ba yindoni emotivate ulutsha luthande umculo kaMaskandi because kuyabonakala uba ngaba ulutsha oluninzi luthanda kakhulu umculo kaMaskandi. Ucinga ba mhlambi yintoni le motivate ulutsha?
I think more than anything it's the message. I think uMaskandi in the past abantu abatsha bebe ujongela phansi, not in a bad way, but be genre abantu abatsha bebecinga fanele no abantu abadala, but without listening to a message ekerwa ngumculo weMaskandi. So I think through ama platforms afana ne TikTok, young people started realizing into bana man lo mculo une message powerful, to a point where now I call lo maskandi trend ayongoku. I call it maskandi R&B because you listen to the song, you want thetha ngothando, and now even as uyicula uziva as an African person uziva kuba lento yas-recognizes abantu abamnyama. So I think that's one thing, and I always tell people jokingly into bana also I think the latest maskandi artists, they're good looking, man. So you see a lot of women, you know, sing eye candy. So I think that's another thing ezisakakhulu, but more than anything ngumculo, the dance, the singing, the lyrics on the songs, beautiful.
Kubuka lapha kubuka uthatha nofundi from Kolanga sobukela uKhuzani
kubuka
Priska from Strand kubuka
who's this man unathetha naye
uPriska Ncube from Strand
hebi artist oyilindeleyo wena apha
Ushenge ulisela
maiduluni sweetla mthemba lami wena enhlisweni yami dalo yebo
ubhuti kubani negama lakhe
umalibongo mfowethu kaGwala kodwa umculo nomjolisi isilo sama 2K khakhe semzumbe le South Coast kwandile kulisigodi
namhlanje sakubona ujulukile ubili umanzi ube kwendona backup
mfowethu imaskandi fest sibizwe iDu Conflict bathi iCastle of Good Hope, Castle of Good Hope. Silungu ke noma sikhona kodwa but Castle of Good Hope mfowethu sibizwe iDu Conflict la sisebenza kahle kakhulu mfowethu sisekapa nje kumnandi yonke into right.
Ubhuti unexesha lingakana semculweni?
2021 mangicabanga kwaku August. Shithi iminyaka mhlambe ngoAugust this year ngizobe ngithi 6 years.
Into nekwenza wahluka kubanye abantu abacula emculo wakho?
Akuzwa mfowethu.
Into nekwenza wahluke emculo wakho kunabanye abantu abacula umaskandi?
Noma ingekho ngako mfowethu into ekhona kodwa ayikho ukuthi nje umculo uyacatshangelwa uyahlelwa. So ukuhleleka kwawo kusuke kuchaza ukuthi yonke lizohamba ngalendlela osuke ufunenze ngakhona. So noNkulunkulu ke ekhona nedlozi, so asisenzele thina iziphi, so mabe kuphenye into ngeke bekuphi into efana neyomunye umuntu ngoba lokho sekufana nokukopela. So thina sikopela siyinto nje ehamba ngendlela yakhona ngokuphiwa idlozi ngendlela right.
Most artists ezicula umaskandi zisuka kwelacala seKZN and ke ndiyayiqaphela into bana kwelacala niyaxhasana niyasupportana. Ingaba mhlambi ithini imfihlo yenu?
Ngicabanga ukuthi uzwana omkhulu kakhulukazi ayikho enye into ebalekile ngaphandle kokuzwana. Manizwana yonke into ihamba. Kathatha ubumbano lwenza ukuthi yonke into ihambe ngendlela eqondile. Manibumbele ngoba manihlakazekile vela ayikho into enizoyihlanganisa. But manihlanganisa into eyodwa yonke into izohamba ngendlela right. Imali
Zanothando na njenga artist yalapha eCape Town edumileyo omnye umuntu mhlawumbe awufuna uqonda uba ngaba uZanothando kule level yomculo okanye kule level akuyo na njengoko ufumana ibookings wenza njani yena?
Bafowethu akukho okunye
kugcina umculo wakho usezingeni eliphezulu, wenze sure uba urecord endaweni eright, wenze sure uba abantu ohamba nabo amagidangoma i-dancers bahlala besezingeni eliphezulu beclean, yonke into ihambe ibe 100%. Uma usenza i-performance wenze sure uba umhlelo womcimbi uyakufuna futhi ngokuzayo. Yeah.
Yintoni eyakumotivate ujone umculo?
Bafowethu umculo undim, umculo kaMaskandi ungumuntu omnyama. So ngenxa yokuzazi kwami ndiye ndabona uba inkcubeko yami yokuzazi ngcono ndiyikhuphele ngaphandle kwaye indlela elula kumculo.
Unongoma abalandeli basamlandela from kumamule kaMamchawe, kodwa ngisaqhubekeka. Yintoni ebangela okanye ocinga ingasetshenziswa zi-artists ecula uMamkhane zaseKapa okanye zase-Eastern Cape njengoko siziqaphela ezaKwaZulu bazona ziyasebenzisana? Yeyiphi le nto engase ziyenze?
Andifuna ukuxoka into ebalulekileyo ama-artist ekumele yenzile okokuqala kukuzimisela. Kumele sicheckile into yobana ngaba abantu intoni kanye abayithandayo, then sizame uwela kuloo nto leyo, then nokubuza ulwazi xa ungayazi into ethile ayilohlazo loo nto leyo. So kubalulekile ukubonisana kakhulu into yobana basakhane, singajongelani phansi, ngoba kokunye ufumaniseka into yobana bakhona abangangenelaniyo, but when it comes umsebenzi ayisebenzi loo nto leyo, ngoba abantu basidinga sibaphilisa ngengoma, ngoba thina sadalelwa ingoma. Uyayibona loo nto leyo. Mafama ingawasebenzela kakhulu ama-artist ase-Western Cape, singasixeleli ngoba ke mna ndisixeleli, but umuntu odinga uncedo kum, ngoba nami ndiyabuza kwinto endingayaziyo, then ke ndincedakala.
Ngizizwa ningopheleleyo mina kuthi mphathi wohlelo ngicela malunga wenza imade ngenxa yexesha ngoba uyanideka macala nefensi zakho kwelicala ziyakunida. Ithini iresponse yakho xa uperforma umjolo njengoba upromote uthini wengoma entsha and uyaperforma and uyayibona iresponse kwifensi zakho?
Yebo bro mdalana, abantu bayijabulela kakhulu ingoma. Ngicabanga ukuthi nje the first performance yethu baba sebeyazi abantu, so nje lokho ngijabulisa kakhulu ngoba bonisa ukuthi abantu impela sebeqala ukuthatha serious even nomculo wala Western Cape as an artist yala Western Cape. So nje kuyangijabulisa kakhulu. Ke ngiphathe intaba zokhahlamba ngoba vele intaba zokhahlamba seyi-national anthem esiwakhona la Western Cape. So nje kungijabulisa kakhulu ukubona i-response yabantu bejabula ngalolu hlobo bajabule ngakhona bawukuthi sisishaya zona lezi ngoma.
Okay, kamphathi wohlelo ke ndiyakuva, and kangoku ubusebenzile kwintaba zokhahlamba noShenge nomjolisi, usebenze nabani kwezinye ingoma ezizayo kanye kwi-EP i-extended production ezayo, abantu abamalindele uzosebenza nabani kanye usebenze nabani kwezi ngoma zimbini uma ngiphelele nomjolo?
Ya umjolo ngisebenze naye futhi uShenge benomjolisi noViv. But ke i-album iyeza, abantu nje abangilandelele lapha umphathi wohlelo MCSA on Facebook bazozwa i-date engizoyikhipha ngayo i-album since umuntu osebenzisana nama companies, so angizokwazi ukuthi ngisheshe ngiconfirm manje, kodwa ke i-album seyiqediwe and futhi imnandi ngendlela esisimanga so kulinde nje ukuthi benze into zakhona laphana kwicompany engaphasi kwayo ikwazi ukuthi iye ebantwini so nje ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuyobe kumnandi kakhulu i-album futhi abantu bazoyijabulela ngendlela esisimanga ngoba bayabona vele ukuthi isikhathi esiningi umphathi wohlelo ukuthi mangabe efikile caci ukuthi ngempela sefikile.
Kanhlebele mntakwethu ndiyaqaphela uba pha eKZN ingathi uMaskandi uyathandwa and niyasupportana ithini imfihlelo yenu?
I think lapha eKZN kakhulu kunokuthi into yakhona uMaskandi uyabo and kuyajabulisa ukubona ukuthi uMaskandi awusathandwa eKZN kuphela njengoba ubona abantu eCape Town bebangaka kuMaskandi wodwa yabo leyo nto isho ukuthi abantu baseKZN bayikhulisile into yabo base beyithatha bayinika abanye abantu bakwa province ukuthi nakho nathi okuyigugu kuthina sicela nikuzwe ukuthi angeke nize nikuthande then siyabonga kubantu bamanye ama province ukuthi bathe mabeza ukuthi kunento right kangaka ekhandwe KZN bangasho ukuthi hayi yase KZN lento KZN ayihlale nento yayo bayithatha bayemukela bathi lento into yase South Africa.
Intonga yami umsimelelo wami intonga yami
uyandithuthuzela
intonga ndiyiqaphela apha kumculo abantu bakaMaskandi ihlala ikhona kodwa ke zolombuzo lo sobe nesubuzo ngenye imini bantu benizawucela uqale ubethe hit le waziwa ngayo kuMaskandi
eJohannesburg ngizawuthetha nabantu yeJehova yondicela umsebenzi bawuthanda ukuthi bantwana bamzeni jongane ningabolelani zenijongane hayi kunjalo bamzeni jongane
hey ningabulalani zendijo wathethe ngathi awuzuba khona imessage yakho ethumela abantwaneni kodwa ke cela nje ukucacisa
othethayo nguJojo ngusikhali ngutiyeka ngumtsolo bentonga mfana wakucentane Eastern Cape kanombanjana Undertaker SA yonke indawo
umuntu ongamaziyo Undertaker kumculo wonke jikelele andifuna ukuthi uMaskandi but ongaziwayo khawucela ba ungubani yakunika ngokyi platform imikhulu production
ba ufuna undazi ndingu Undertaker mina ndilapha eKapa ngokuhlala ndinguJojo ndingubhiyo ndingumtsolo bentonga ndingubhizana from Eastern Cape Gabalala ukuya vetshe ndidlale uMaskandi akudalanga niqalile kodwa kuyacaca nje ifuthe ngifike ndakhatha futhi ndikhathe ngamandla usuka ngo2020 uzotsho ngoku sengikwazi ufumana amathuba nje dukonflict iyandibiza several times then ndidlala nje ngendlela ehlukile ndiqinisekile ngalo ndawo ndidlala umculo ohlukileyo and abantu bayothanda.
Yintoni le ingxaki kumculo wemvumi zikaMaskandi zaseKapa zase Eastern Cape and ufumanisa ukuthi kwi-artists zase KZN ziyasupportana kakhulu and uyadominate umculo wakwaZulu isilelephi
apha isilela khona bawo ikufutshane asinabo abantu abapromotayo apha eWestern Cape kakhulu I think ndim nabanye benza i-event neKhalicha Maskandi so ke ngoku abaculi abaninzi abenza zi-event abalapha eWestern Cape and abacima iculo yabo iphela only ezindlini kubo nakubalandeli babo athi umculo okay nabalandeli abaninzi xa ufika mhlambe eholweni akabaculi so we are happy now because of sinomculi oyi-1 okumphathi ohlelo otheni okwazi ubumanisa kodwa abathandana abaculi balapha eWestern Cape uba bethe bayathandana ngake nathi kumphathi ohlelo okanye phaa kwimikhulu nathi mikhulu guys masike sithini sibulele nto basinomculi othe waba number 1 apha eWestern Cape khange kuvela abaculi balapha eWestern Cape bathi hayi siyamsupporta nangumculi wethu uphumile wabe nathi ngenxa into abayena ekutheni esukanye iprovince but ke into ebuhlungu into yoba nathi abaculi aba kwabona bodwa bavani aba base-Eastern Cape omnye xa ibona omnye mnyevulela mathi mhlawumbi unongoma xa ibona mhlawumbi omnye umculi uzambona ngenye ingca into yoba mhlawumbi mabayeka eli gama balithandayo lelithi amavukani lelo gama lezinto abaculi bethu bangakwazi ukuphumela ngenxa yokuthi hayi asisusupport event kabani asizithini baphela into abacula phi ezirumini zabo bacule kwezi crash ngoba bacule nakwezinye indawo kwenza umculo uzokwazi ukuphumelela
manje ukani kapha ecala kwami ndikunye nomnye wabantu abazi organizers ze-Due Conflict ndifuna asichazele kabanzi nge-Due Conflict sizwami kunjani
ndiphila kunjani futhi
ndiyaphila nami khayithatha iqala eqaleni uyayibika egqibeleni
yes for uqala eqaleni okay igama lami ngusimamkele Cleopatra Mavatha ndimama emamntungu Mambuyisa ewe kaloku mna kaloku ndiliqembu le-Due Conflict size apha it's been so many years but this is several times since Cape Town and we came here with a different concept here Maskandi Fest and it's doing well and we're traveling all over the world as far as Europe and today it was a great day. People came in numbers, people had fun, all the artists were here, we delivered a good and a great show and we're looking forward to the next one and of course please do join us on the 23rd of this month for Ungumama Lona. It's a Mother's Day picnic. Kelly Kumalo, Abo Trixie, I named them. The list is long, but tickets are available at CompuTicket, ShopRite or Checkers, or you can just WhatsApp us on 071 627 3776.
Thina songena free. I-Due Conflict inexesha lingakanani ikhona?
It's been 10 years. It started 2016. It started by Utandi Mavatha, Nomtanazo Mavatha, who happens to be my elder sister, and it was her idea, and then I was the one who was like, let's do it. We got this.
Mna njengomntu ongayazi i-Due Conflict mhlambi i-based kweyiphi indawo eKapa eMpuma Koloni okanye phi?
See all over. See all over. We go as far as I said, we go as far as Europe. We visit zonke provinces and countries in the country, in the world. So basically that's what we do. But angeke sikhona ukuthi apho sikhoyo. But thina apho offices zethu se-Joburg.
So nenza uMaskandi hodwa mhlawumbe nenye genres.
There's Due Conflict events, but since it's a Due Conflict, that is the mother of all the other events. We do Easy Sunday Soul Sessions, we do Ngumama Lo picnics. So basically we curate events and we bring different concepts. It depends what the demand and everything. And right now Maskandi is the best at the moment. Easy Sunday Soul Session, of course, is the one for the soul and R&B. And again, we have a new baby that is starting soon. It's called Sage and Sand. It's for the ones that are so cool and calm, but you guys, you see, and we have the likes of Abotando Zide, Abo Jabulile. So yeah. I don't want to say much.
That means it needs to benefit.
I need to know. Kaloku sithi abantu zi-event curators. That means abantu hlezi becinga nje i-event ukuthi hey ngoku singathi gqinephi. And of course, all our events they cater everyone, whether men or women, and different ages, of course.
Siswami andifuna ukulibaza because uyaqothwa ndiyabona uyaqhaqhatheka.
Dola ndidiniwe ngomso seqhebeka bethuna ngicela amatikiti aphelile yobenza ndicela ndithenga amatikiti aphelile.